The life of a bell pepper begins with a flat, unassuming seed, holding the secret to a vibrant, hollow masterpiece.
These first leaves provide the initial energy, fueling the bell pepper plant's ascent toward the light.
Structure is everything. The bell pepper plant builds a strong framework to support the heavy weights that will soon hang from the branches.
The white blossom is the bridge between growth and creation. In its center, the future bell pepper is born.
Pollination is a precise interaction. Each grain of pollen helps shape the symmetry and size of the coming bell pepper.
Success. The ovary begins to swell, forming the iconic lobed structure that defines the bell pepper.
The bell pepper is a pressurized vessel of air and nutrients. The thick skin acts as a protective shield against the sun.
At this stage, the bell pepper is crisp and flavorful, but the most dramatic change, the color transformation, is yet to come.
Chlorophyll breaks down, revealing the vibrant pigments of carotenoids. The bell pepper is choosing its final color.
Each color shift represents a change in the bell pepper's nutritional profile, increasing the concentration of antioxidants.
A rainbow of nutrition, whether red, yellow, or orange. Every bell pepper has fulfilled its mission of energy storage. Inside the hollow core, the bell pepper seeds are now mature, ready to carry the legacy of the bell pepper plant forward.
The journey of the hollow jewel is complete, a masterpiece of color, texture, and health.
From a cream-colored seed to a vibrant hollow jewel, the genesis of the bell pepper is a triumph of nature.